brain. We don't have a second brain. We only have one brain. The fact is that we actually have two brains. And I'm going to explain that. Your second brain is your gut. You had no idea. There are bacteria that live in your gut. They're good and bad bacteria. They live in balance with one another. Well, you know what? That's called your microbiome. Your microbiome, those bacteria that live in there, actually, there's actually more bacteria in bacterial DNA in your body, in your gut, than there are of your own natural human cells. If you put it in a beaker, the amount of bacteria far outweigh your DNA. That's how important it is. Well, those bacteria talk to each other. They have neurotransmitters just like you do. They secrete serotonin. They secrete norepinephrine. They secrete dopamine. These are the same neurotransmitters that your brain uses to talk to your body. Well, what is the gut for? The gut's to absorb things, isn't it? So imagine if your gut is ill because of all the things you put in it and what you've challenged your body with. Well, you are going to absorb those aberrant neurotransmitters that those bacteria put out, and as a consequence, you're going to absorb them, and they're going to send signals to your brain and your body, and it's going to have an effect on how you feel and your feeling of well-being. So essentially, inflammation in your gut and a leaky gut can affect your emotions, causes depression, anxiety, memory loss, and it has been implicated in autism and Down syndrome. Also remember that the gut is home to 70% of our immune system. That's right, 70% of our immune system is our intestine. And they also put Wellimmune in this product, which is Probio, to aid your ability to respond quickly to disease threats. So, Physic Probio contains 6 billion colony-forming units and 6 helpful strains of bacteria. But remember, it's not the number that they put in the capsule. You can find other products that have many, many more bacteria, but where do they go? They're all destroyed in the stomach. As soon as they hit that stomach acid, they're destroyed by stomach acid and never ever make it to the gut. But this Probio is treated with Biotract. It has a special delivery system that delivers 60% of that bacterial payload to your gut versus only 4 to 5% of other products. That makes it 15% more bioavailable to your body. That means then that as that capsule opens up and bypasses your stomach and hits your intestine, that it actually deposits the bacteria in the proximal intestine where those bacteria are needed, and the specific strains that need to go to the end of your intestine where they're needed. There is absolutely no other probiotic that can do this. Every other probiotic is destroyed. So forget Activia and all the yogurt products. It's a joke. This is the only thing that has ever been shown to do this, and this is why LifeVantage captured it as part of their Vitality Stack and made it available to you. All right, that is the concept of the second brain, or the gut-brain biome. Let's talk lastly about the blood-brain barrier and omega.